In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete or hide multiple tabs here in Google Sheets. To hide or delete multiple tabs, what you're going to do first is to select multiple tabs. And to do that, all you have to do is to hold on to your Control or Command key on your keyboard. Then select the tabs that you want to delete or hide. Once you've chosen, click on the drop-down and select Delete or Hide. Let's do Delete first. And here it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to delete these 5 sheets. Just click on OK. And you've deleted multiple tabs at the same time. Now let's try and hide multiple tabs. So again, to select multiple tabs, hold on to that Command or Control key. Select the tabs that you want to hide. Let's say you made a mistake, you can deselect by just clicking on it again. Let's say you wanted to hide Sheet 8 instead of Sheet 9. Now let's go to the drop-down again and hide sheets. Now those hidden sheets can be seen in View in the menu bar right here. And that's how to delete or hide multiple tabs here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.